Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Nesana Augustine. In this lesson, we are going to look at body on an inclined plane or motion on an inclined plane. Now, let's do a simple proof here. Suppose that a body of mass M at rest is released from a point on an inclined plane inclined at an angle theta to the horizontal. We are going to prove that this angle is equal to a certain angle. Now, let's say this is the body. The weight of the body acts vertically downwards. So the weight of the body goes downwards and it is perpendicular to this horizontal line. Now, if you look at this body, it is not lying on the horizontal. If it is lying on the horizontal, you see that the normal reaction and the weight will be like this, will be in line. But here, the plane is being inclined, so it looks like the body is falling down, or it looks like the body is climbing upwards, or moving upwards, or moving down. So here, the normal reaction goes like this. This is the normal reaction. And the normal reaction is perpendicular to the plane. So here we get perpendicular. Now let's assume that the angle here is alpha and the angle here is beta. Now, in this triangle, theta plus alpha equals 90 degrees. That is sum of opposite co-interior angles of a right angle triangle is equal to 90 degrees. So here we have theta equal to 90 degrees minus alpha. Let's name this equation 1. Now, you see that this is the normal reaction line. So it implies that the angle here is also 90 because the normal reaction is perpendicular to the plane. Wow. And the angle here is also 90, making 90, 90, 90, 90, 360. So you can say that beta plus alpha equal to 90 degrees and beta equals 90 degrees minus alpha, equation 2. If we compare equation 1 and 2, you see that the right hand side of the equation, 90 degrees minus alpha is equal to 90 degrees minus alpha. Then it implies that the left hand side, theta is equal to beta. Very simple as that. This implies that the angle beta here is equal to theta. That the angle here is equal to the angle the plane makes with the horizontal. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. Bye bye.